Welcome back to another video. Today we got an email from DeWalt. This is just a short email. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And let's go ahead and get started. Seems like we got the DeWalt Meet XP tape measure. It says tough beyond measure. The DeWalt Extended Performance XP's tape measure, our toughest tape measure jet, featuring tougher case, tougher blade, coating, tougher hook connection. So according to this, it's a tougher case, and they did. I don't know if they redesigned it from the last ones, but they are different than some of the other tape measures out there. And this is one of the hooks that they have different. So they do have a hook up and hook down. And it's advertising that it can sustain. Let's see here. It can sustain up to 13 feet, I guess. When you extend it, you know. Let's play the video here. I'm just gonna lower the volume. You got the tape measure there, 13 feet. You can extend it. Tougher blade coating. Tougher hook connection. 60 feet drop. Wow. DeWalt made in the USA with global materials. Pretty much that's what they're advertising. See if I can go back to this. So I guess they're working on their tape measures, huh? Getting better at that. The next item that we have is this newest innovations, handpicked just for you. We got the 40 volt max XR 16-inch cordless chainsaw, 7.5 amp hour battery. We got the item number DCCS690X1. View now. Let's see here. That is the saw here. Guess you can put the battery on the top. Is that the battery? Yeah, that's the battery. It looks like the battery. Let's see here. We got the 40 volt max XR 16-inch chainsaw. Let's see here. DeWalt 40 volt max brushless chainsaw delivers performance of the gas convenience in a battery. Equipped with powerful brushless motor, 16-inch bar. Chainsaw glides through a variety of cutting diameters with the cut speed of gas. Reliability of battery-powered equipment for optional convenience. Unit features oiling with Lubrilink well, delivering most smooth cuts, long chain life, and reduced maintenance. The tool-free tension system allows you for quick bar and change adjustments with no additional tools required. Let's see here. Seems like that's the saw cutting right there. That's where you get the grip, I guess. Roll over image to zoom. Oh yeah, I guess, yeah. That is I guess the battery goes on top. Looks kind of weird with the big battery on top. That's a picture right there. Picture cutting. Yeah, it could be powerful if it's 40 volts. Could be a nice powerful tool here. I like the design, this brake design. I don't know if it's a brake. No, it's not a brake. It's just like a safety for your hand, so your hand doesn't slip out and get caught on the chain. The next item we have is the Flex Volt 60 Max table saw with one battery kit. It's the DCS748 5T1. One table battery kit. I guess. Let's see here. We got the Flex Volt 60 volt max, 8 and 1/4 table saw, maximized for accuracy, capacity, and runtime. Brushless motor delivers the power to the cut. Materials. The rack and pinion fence allows fast and easy adjustments. Provide capacity of the rip 4x8 sheets, so you can cut 4x8 sheets on this one, and it does have a rack and pinion, so you can do adjustments. Let's see, with the DCS7485T1 comes with one Flex Volt 20 volt 60 volt max. It's like a Flex Volt max, yeah. Battery and a fast charger. I'm glad that they have these batteries now, because you can use them on power tools, and you can use them on the bigger tools like these. That is the Flex Max battery there. I don't know if you guys know, but yeah, that's the Flex Max battery. You can use it as in 20 volt or as in 60 volt, so for the bigger and the smaller tools. Yeah, it's a nice little saw there. It's a blade guard. Seems like it's got some handles there or some rubber. Let's look at the side view. I like the fence on this one. Seems pretty sturdy. And Flex Volt. Brushless, cordless. Yeah, everything's moving to cordless now. Let's see here. Let's click on this one. Yeah, it's a nice setup right there. Displayed. See if there's more pictures. Yeah, there's more pictures. You can actually extend the table so you can get those bigger cuts for the plywood. So that's a nice little option that they have. That's where the battery goes on the side. I'm just giving you a demo of the cuts. The 45 degree. Same thing here with the push stick there. Doing the cut. And they're showing you here basically that you can just carry it around. It's that portable. Which is a good thing, because if you're on the job site, you know, you want everything to be portable. Guess you can take this off with just your hands. With the locking. Yeah, it's a little locking handle. Alright, the next tool that we have, we got this is like we got a drill here. 20 volt max XR tool connect compact drill driver DCD792D2. We got the 20 volt max XR tool connect compact drill driver kit. Got a DCD2 or DCD792 coreless compact drill driver tool with tool connect based on the latest DeWalt XR brushless drill DCD791 with additional integrated Bluetooth technology. Connect to the tool connect. Free mobile app, inventory manager, web portable track, manage and customize tool with Bluetooth integrated with the tool and not need to connect the battery. Sorry guys, it's hard for me to see now, getting old. Battery and utilize tracking functionality. The tool connect 3-part inventory management solution includes the app and the inventory manager web portal work together to help you better communicate updates in the field office, get updated regards to whereabouts, the tools, materials, equipment, meaning your assets tracked during the day, counting place the appropriate crew members, use tool to connect along with tool connect batteries, contractor tag, and complete inventory management solution. Yeah, so I guess technology is already getting smart devices on these drills and stuff like that. So what's saying here is that you can keep track of all the tools and stuff. Like if you're a contractor or you got several different guys working for you, you can keep track of those tools and see how they're performing, see the battery level and all that stuff. So it's very interesting how the power tool industry is moving to the wireless and being smart and all that. So that is the side view of the drill. I guess this is the part where it says it's Bluetooth. Is using the looks nice. Yeah, that's the tool connect. Got a house 1, 2, 3. So you got some speeds there. You got a brushless motor plus the tool connect there. Says always stay connected. Alright guys, well this was my quick video for this DeWalt email. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.